Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is lecture number 13. The name of the paper is Morphology and Syntax. The chapter is Morphology, and in Morphology, the subtopic is endocentric and exocentric compounds. In order to understand what is meant by endocentric compounds, let us take this example, the example of dog food. As you know, the element which is to the right side, that is the food, that is the head, and the category is defined with the help of this word. So if it is a noun, the compound is referred to as noun. If it is a verb, the compound is referred to as verb. Now, as you can see, it is a noun, and this is the head of this compound, dog food. Now, as far as the endocentric compound is concerned, in which you can see the head food, this head actually um, is the major item, but the whole compound is the subtype of this head. For example, if we say dog food, then it is a subtype of food, which is the head. So dog food, we say a kind of food. Food is the head because it can be cat food. So you can see that the meaning of compound is actually the subtype of the head. The head is the food and its subtype is the dog food. For example, if you take cat food, the head is the food and the subtype is the cat food. So I mean to say that the compound as a whole is the subtype of the head, which is here food. Dog food would refer to a kind of food. The same is the case here. Man is the head, and caveman, which is a compound of man, is a kind of man, which is the subtype of this head, which is a man. So caveman is a kind of man. The main item here is, as we can see, we can say the head of this compound is man. And caveman, which is a compound, is the subtype of the man, which is head. We also can say that endo means inside and centric means the center. Whenever the meaning of the compound is in the meaning of the head is in the compound, we say it is endocentric compound. When the meaning of the head is present in the meaning of the compound, we say it is an endocentric compound. As we said in dog food, the meaning of food is there in dog food, the meaning of food is there in cat food, the meaning of man is there in caveman. So as the meaning is in the compound, it is endocentric. When it isn't in the compound, it would become exocentric. For example, when we say red neck, it doesn't refer to the neck which is red, it refers to the man who has got a red neck. So therefore, the meaning of red neck, the meaning of the head neck is not there in the word red neck, because red neck means the man who has the red neck, not the neck which is red. So it refers to the person. So the meaning is not there in the compound. It is therefore exocentric compound. The other example is saber tooth. Saber tooth is a kind of tiger having very long teeth, and this is an extinct type of tiger nowadays. We do not find it. You can check saber tooth in the internet, Google it, and you will find out in the picture that these tigers had very long teeth, and they are extinct now. But however, saber tooth doesn't mean the tooth which is saber. Saber is a kind of sword. But saber-tooth means tiger. That is, the meaning of tiger is not in the compound. In this case, the meaning of food, I said the meaning of tiger, the meaning of tooth is not in saber-tooth. The meaning of neck is not in redneck, because redneck means person, saber-tooth means tiger. So therefore it is exocentric. On the other hand, dog food, the meaning of food, which is the head, is there in the compound, which is dog food. So as the meaning is in the compound, it is endocentric. There is another difference between the endocentric and the exocentric. The endocentric compounds, they make their plural in a proper way. For example, wisdom tooth would be singular and the plural will be wisdom teeth. Club foot and club feet. Policeman, policeman. Oak leaf, oak leaves. You can see the plurals are made as they are made in speaking English. But in the case of exocentric compounds, the plurals are made out of the way. For example, saber-tooths would be the plural of the tiger, that special type of tiger. Bigfoots, so you can see that foot actually should be feet, but it is not like this in the exocentric compounds. So this is another difference, that as far as the endocentric compounds are concerned, the normal way of um, making plural is used in the case of especially the irregular verbs, irregular nouns, while this is not the case with the exocentric compounds. ये उर्दू में सुन लें, एंडोसेंट्रिक और एक्सोसेंट्रिक कंपाउंड्स में फ़र्क ये है कि एंडोसेंट्रिक कंपाउंड्स में हेड का मीनिंग कंपाउंड के अंदर मौजूद होता है, और जो कंपाउंड है वो हेड का एक सब टाइप होता है. मसलन ये फूड डॉग फूड का हेड है, तो फूड के माने डॉग फूड में मौजूद है, और डॉग फूड फूड की एक किस्म है, सब टाइप है. केव मैन में मैन हेड है, और केव मैन में मैन की मीनिंग मौजूद है, और केव मैन मैन की एक किस्म है, सब टाइप है. स्काई ब्लू में ब्लू की मीनिंग मौजूद है और ब्लू हेड है, और स्काई ब्लू ये एक किस्म का ब्लू है, तो ये इसका सब टाइप हुआ. ताहम ये मामला एक्सोसेंट्रिक कंपाउंड्स में नहीं होता. मसलन एक्सोसेंट्रिक कंपाउंड्स में कंपाउंड में जो हेड है उसकी मीनिंग नहीं पाई जाती. रेड नेक से मुराद नेक नहीं है जो रेड है, बल्कि इससे मुराद पर्सन है. सेबर टूथ से मुराद टूथ नहीं है जो सेबर है, बल्कि इससे मुराद एक टाइगर है. तो एक्सोसेंट्रिक कंपाउंड्स वो हैं जिनमें हेड का मीनिंग नहीं पाया जाता और अलग से मीनिंग. इसी तरीके से एक और डिफरेंस एंडोसेंट्रिक और एक्सोसेंट्रिक में ये है कि एंडोसेंट्रिक में अगर इस किस्म के नाउन्स आ जाएं जो इरेगुलर हैं, तो इनके सिंगुलर प्लूरल आम तरीके से बनते हैं. टूथ का टीथ है, तो विजडम टूथ का प्लूरल होगा विजडम टीथ. लेकिन अगर ये एक्सोसेंट्रिक है तो फिर ये सेबर टीथ नहीं होगा, सेबर टूथ्स होगा, और ये रूल से हटकर प्लूरल बनेगा. तो ये भी एक डिफरेंस है कि ये एंडोथर्मिक है, एंडोसेंट्रिक है, और ये एक्सोसेंट्रिक है. अब हम इसको पढ़ लेते हैं तो आपको समझ आ जाएगी. In most cases, a compound denotes a subtype of the concept denoted by its set. अक्सर केसेस में जो कंपाउंड है पूरा वो सब टाइप होता है हेड का. तो हेड यहाँ पे फूड है, कंपाउंड यहाँ पे डॉग फूड है, डॉग फूड सब टाइप है फूड का. केवमैन में मैन हेड है, केव मैन सब टाइप है मैन का। स्काई ब्लू में ब्लू हेड है, स्काई ब्लू कंपाउंड एज ए कंपाउंड ये सब टाइप है ब्लू का। So the dog food is a type of food, caveman is a type of man, sky blue is a kind of blue, and so on. Such compounds are said to be semantically endocentric. Semantically endocentric का मतलब इसका मीनिंग इसके अंदर मौजूद है, हेड के मीनिंग कंपाउंड के अंदर मौजूद है। इन अ स्मॉलर नंबर ऑफ केसेस however, बास केसेस में the meaning of the compound does not follow from the meaning of its parts in this way. कंपाउंड का मीनिंग पार्ट्स के मीनिंग्स की तरह नहीं होता। Thus, although redneck is a noun, like neck, it denotes a type of person. ये noun तो है लेकिन type of person, not a type of neck. Similarly, a saber tooth is a type of tiger rather than a type of tooth. Such compounds are exocentric. A very striking difference, एक अहम फर्क between English endocentric and exocentric compounds sometimes shows up in cases where the head is a word like tooth or foot. इस तरीके से अगर head हो which has an irregular plural form, जिसके plural irregular हैं, consider in this regard the examples in table. इसमें ये examples देखें, wisdom tooth, wisdom teeth, लेकिन saber tooth, saber tooths इसका plural बनेगा, ये एक example काफी है। Notice that whereas the endocentric compounds imply uses the usual irregular plural, endocentric में usual plural है teeth और feet. The exocentric compounds permit the regular plural suffix s जो कि regular plural है, ये तो irregular plural है, तो ये फिर regular plural से बनेगा और ये irregular plural से बनेगा ये वाला। तो ये दो किस्में हो गई, endocentric and exocentric. Thank you and good luck.